Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain Iowa child support law. Now, we're going to give a broad overview of how child support is calculated in Iowa, but we have a lot more details about all facets of child support law in the article associated with this video at our website, learn-about-law.com. So if you want to learn about things like how to enforce child support or child support with multiple families, go to that article at learn-about-law.com. But let's talk about the basics of how child support is calculated. In Iowa, we follow an income shares model by which both parents are responsible for a general pool of child support that's going to go towards the care of the child. And then the amount that each parent will actually be paying towards child support depends on their incomes relative to one another. Usually the payment goes from the non-custodial parent to the custodial parent. So let's break some of that down a little bit. Iowa uses a schedule of basic support obligations, which basically takes the combined net income of both parents and the number of children, and you can plug this into a table and get an amount that both parents are going to be jointly responsible for as far as paying towards the care of the child. Then the amount that each parent will actually be personally be responsible for is based on the incomes of each parent relative to one another. So if you are the child support payor, the more you make relative to the other party, the more you're likely to pay in child support. Similarly, if you're the recipient of child support, the more you make, the less you're likely to receive. And usually it's paid from the non-custodial parent to the custodial parent. Now, there's a couple factors that impact net income for this calculation. So when you're determining how much your net income is versus the other party's net income, there's some things that can reduce your net income. And this is cost of daycare paid by the non-custodial parent, the amount of child support paid to children of a prior marriage from a prior child support order, and alimony payments. So that may impact the amount of net income and serve to reduce it if you're the payor. There's also a couple situations where courts can deviate from the schedule of basic support obligations, the basic number that they're supposed to be given and the guidelines that they're supposed to follow as far as the child support number. And these include the amount and affordability of health care for the non-custodial parent, the child care expenses that the custodial parent is paying, or that the non-custodial parent is paying for that matter, and whether the child has a shared custody situation known as joint physical placement, where both parents have a pretty close to equal amount of overnights with the child over the course of the year. In that case, if there's a joint physical placement, then the child support payor will tend to pay less because that person's actually going to be paying the child more of the child care costs directly. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. The 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in several areas of law, and we have many geographical locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.